Welcome to our tutorial. Before I start with our lesson, I have questions for you. Number one, are you afraid of electricity? Number two, do you want to have at least a fundamental knowledge of electricity? Number three, do you want to learn the right way of doing electrical house wiring connection that complies with electrical code requirements for your use in your daily lives? Then it's no longer a problem. Don't worry. I have series of videos prepared in lesson form about the basic principles of electricity and electrical house wiring connections for your easy understanding and learning. Just keep on watching the videos in sequence starting from this lesson and you will learn a lot. Our first lesson is how to connect the basic electric circuit. We'll now make an actual basic circuit. Let's get a wire. Then let's cut the wire into two. We will use the flat pliers to cut the wire. Then we will connect a socket, this one to the socket. So you have to remove the cover or the insulator at that end. So the insulator now is now removed. Then we will insert this to the terminal of the socket. Then tighten the screw. By the way, this is a Phillips screw driver. Then connect also the other wire to the terminal of this terminal. Again, remove the insulator at the end. You loosen first the screw. Then insert the wire. Then tighten the wire. See to it that no part of this wire touches the other terminal, for that will cause short circuit. And short circuit is very dangerous. Then we will place a bulb to this socket. Then we will connect this to the source. So our source is a convenient outlet, CO. So before we can connect this, we will remove first the insulator at the end. This way. Then also with the other wire. Then observe. So there is now the bulb lights, meaning there is an electricity passing through the circuit. Since it is dangerous to tap this way to the current, so we have to attach this end to this one inside, so that we could easily get the power from the source. So we open this, then we loosen the screw, then attach this. See to it that no part of the wire of this wire will touch the other side, for that will cause short circuit. Then you tighten the screw. Do the same with the other terminal. Part of this wire should touch the other terminal, for that is dangerous. It will cause short circuit. Then you cover. Then you tap this to the source. Oh, there is light, meaning current electricity is passing along this circuit. Then unplug. By the way, we have made an extension light. I have here an extension light. So actually, we have similar circuit. So this is my extension wire. And now we are going to control the flow of current. So this is by placing a switch. You could place the switch in this, along this wire, or in the other side, that way, to control the flow of current, so that you will not keep on plugging and unplugging to control the current. So let's try to place the circuit in this part of the wire. So only one side. The other has no switch, is only the other side. Observe, we will cut this wire. Oh, what do you observe? There is no more light. Why? The circuit is now open, meaning there is a cut. Now if you return, then there is the current now can flow. So this is now a closed circuit. So that is the function of the switch. The switch is the function is to close and open the circuit. So let's now attach these two wires in the switch to control the current. So we will use a flat screwdriver because there is a slot for on the head of this screw. We will remove the isolator at the end of this wire. Yan. So the other one, the other side. Then we connect this to the terminals of the switch. Then the other one. For the other terminal. Tighten the screw. Then let's return the cover. Then there's no light. Now there is a light. Switch off, switch on. So it is easy to control the flow of current if we will use a switch. So the switch is used to open the circuit and close the circuit. We have just made the basic electric circuit. It is made up of the power source or source of power. Then we have the connecting wires, the switch, and the bulb. We will now analyze the connection by following this statement. Connect one line of the source. So this is one line of the source. Connect this to the switch. This one. From the switch, connect the switch to the bulb. Then from the bulb to the other line of the source. This is the other line of the source. This male plug, this one, this is a part of the wire. Make this statement as your motto in connecting wires, bulbs, switches, and source. This is statement. Connect one line of the source to switch, switch to bulb or load to the other line of the source. I have here a warning or caution. Do not attach this wire there without a load or bulb because it will cause short circuit. A short circuit is dangerous. It will cause explosion. It will cause explosion. So do not insert this. Do not. Then do not make a circuit like this. You have an extra wire, this one. Do not make that, do not do that. Because if you are going to insert this here, it will cause a short circuit or explosion. Observe, electricity will pass along this line to the bulb or load, then return to the source. And also electricity flows from this line to this wire and going back to load, to the power source or source of power. Since there is no load or bulb connected to this side, this will cause short circuit. There will be a rapid increase of current, and a part of your circuit will explode or your circuit breaker will trip up. So, to avoid the danger, you cut this wire. That's okay. Or, if you will not cut this wire for your future additional connections, you just cut this one. Separate. Cut. Separate. Then, you cover with tape. Tape the end. Okay. If you will plug this, so they are separated already. If you will plug this, there is no danger. There is no danger. But do not connect this one. Do not connect. No, do not connect. You can arrange it this way. So that is another arrangement of the basic circuit. In this lesson, you came to learn the basic circuit and the proper way of connecting the wires to the male plug, to the switch, and to the socket. You also learn how to make an extension light. Are you excited to learn more? Before we end, I have self-test questions for you to answer. What is the statement which can guide you in analyzing the circuit? Number 2, what is the use of the switch? Number 3, what is a basic circuit? If you answer the questions correctly, you can now proceed to lesson 2. If not, go back to the lesson and find the answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.